Why would one of the greatest investors of all time refuses to touch one of the most disruptive financial innovations ever created? That's Warren Buffett and Bitcoin, a rivalry that is as fascinating as it is divisive. But here's the real question. Is Buffett stuck in the past, or is he seeing something we're all too blind to notice? Welcome back to Wild X. Tony here. Today is 27th of February 2025. Let's take a look at today's market update. Bitcoin has continued to take a significant hit, shedding nearly all its gains since the Trump's election, and now plummeted to below $80,000. When Bitcoin soared past $100,000, many were grasped by FOMO, vowing to buy when the market offers a better entry point. Well, the opportunity is here now. Yet I suspect the same people are hesitating. It is a common scenario, isn't it? When the prices are high, there's a rush to buy, and when they drop, fear takes over. The key to success in Bitcoin investing is straightforward. Buy when there's fear, sell when there's greed. Many lament missing out at 40,000, 50,000, and 60,000. But when prices hit those marks again, fear often paralyzes action. And if you believe Bitcoin can reach 150,000 this cycle, the current price becomes less daunting, isn't it? There is a CME future gap at 77,000, and with price hovering about 79,000 at the moment, it's quite possible that the gap will be closed in the coming days, or even perhaps today. Now is the time to test your will and adhere to your strategy. Continuing dollar cost averaging, especially if your current position size isn't ideal yet. Now let's take a look at today's morning deep dive. Warren Buffett once described Bitcoin as red poison squared. Ouch! But here's the twist. The Oracle of Omaha might be overlooking the broader picture. Let's dive into why Buffett detests crypto, and why he could be entirely off the mark. Buffett's investment philosophy centered on measurable, tangible assets, companies like Coca-Cola, Apples, and railroads. But the world isn't always driven by what we can quantify. Sometimes it's propelled by beliefs, and that is where cryptos enters the scene. The author of Same as Ever noted, attempting to distill emotional and hormonal human into a math equation is the cause of so much frustration and surprise in the world. Let's face it, cryptocurrency and Bitcoin epitomize this unpredictability. Buffett gravitates toward businesses he can comprehend. He invests in companies with robust fundamentals, predictable cash flow, and tangible products. And crypto is the exactly opposite. It's decentralized, intangible, and often fueled by speculations. He famously remarked that Bitcoin is a mirage, and it doesn't produce anything, it's just a gambling asset. Buffett isn't entirely wrong about the risks. Crypto is in fact volatile, speculative, and rife with scams. But remember, the internet in the 90s faces similar skepticism, and Buffett missed out on that revolution too. Warren Buffett has spent decades mastering the art of value investing. He looks for solid companies with strong fundamentals. So when he dismisses Bitcoin, people listen. But is he missing something? Let's break it down. First, the power of belief. Crypto isn't just about another technology. It's about a conviction. People believe in Bitcoin as digital gold, Ethereum as the foundation of smart contracts. Then there are celebrity influences. Think about this. When Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, it skyrockets. When Snoop Dogg drops an NFT, it sells out. Crypto isn't just the numbers on the screen. It's driven by emotion, hype, and the good old FOMO. And let's not forget the historical parallels. Buffett did once dismiss gold, calling it an unproductive asset. But for thousands of years, gold has been a store of value, and Bitcoin would be the digital gold of our time. So why do we still bet on Bitcoin and blockchain? So decentralization is a big one. Unlike any of the traditional currency, crypto isn't controlled by bank or government directly. It is a challenge to the financial system, and for many, that's exactly what makes it so appealing. Then there's the innovation. Blockchain is actually shaking up industries. From DeFi to NFTs, it's opening new doors for investments, ownership, and financial freedom. Even celebrity adoption is a sign of changes. Bill Gates, yes, Buffett's fellow billionaire, have softened his stance on crypto. And then there's JC, who turned a $200,000 investment into $500 million by betting on unconventional assets. Maybe Buffett should take some notice. But now let's be real. Crypto isn't all sunshine and Lambos. It's volatile, unregulated, and full of scams. Just look at Kim Kardashian, who got sued for promoting Ethereum Max, or Logan Paul, whose Crypto Zeus project left investor empty-handed. Buffett's skepticism makes sense, but here's the thing, risk and reward goes hand in hand. The biggest gains come from taking stances, and the question is, will we crypto believers get the last laugh? Warren Buffett is a legend, but even legends can err. The world is evolving, and crypto stands at the forefront of this transformation. Whether you're an enthusiast or a critic, one thing is certain, crypto cannot be ignored anymore. As Rolf Hodgson said, something have to be believed to be seen. Maybe it's time to believe in crypto's future and see where it leads us. Now, let's take a look at today's top news. The first news, Standard Chartered has made a bold prediction. Bitcoin could soar to 500,000 before President Trump exits office. This projection hinges on an anticipated shift in regulatory policy and increased institutional adoptions. While ambitious, it underscores the growing confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential. The second news, SEC is dropping lawsuits again. This time, SEC has agreed in principle to drop its lawsuit against the crypto firm Consensys, the developer of MetaMask. The suit claimed that the aspect of MetaMask violated security laws. The recent action of SEC definitely reflects a significant shift in regulatory stance, signaling a more friendly approach toward the crypto industry. The third news, the Jack Dorsey-led payment firm Block says it's negotiating with New York State's regulator to settle allegations over its anti-money laundering and Bitcoin program. Well, that's a wrap for today's news. Please subscribe for daily updates in weekdays. Stay invested, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next Monday.